Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's topic is final results and exporting. There are two ways to view your results. First, after your election has closed, you can see results right on your dashboard under Summary and Reports. And second, from the Reports section in the left navigation menu, you'll see 5 types of reports here: results, email report, daily participation, voter log, and voter satisfaction. To see your election results, click Results. Each office on the ballot is organized into its own tab for easy review. Results update in real time during the voting period, so you can check progress anytime after your election opens. If your ballot allows write-in nominations, those entries appear in the write-in field listed in the order in which they were received. Whenever you need a snapshot of your data, you can export the results to Excel or CSV. The downloaded report breaks offices into separate tabs for easy review. That's it, your results in a snap. Thanks for watching. Grab another bite in our series of quick tips at any time.